This is the Whittaker family. Yazi ngeke ungikholwe. Kwanami bekungakholwa ngize ngayibonela ngawami amehlo sanibonani ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama. This is the Whittaker family. Asiqale. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi obani manje ama-Whittaker family. Understand ukuthi the Whittaker family ahlale America, West Virginia, in a town called Eot. They are a very unique family. Engifuna mina nawe sike sithi dive deep into them. Yo, ngeke ungikholwe lento uzoyizwa namhlanje. Sengifune ngazi ngayithola i-family tree yalomndeni. So let me explain lento khona uzo understand. Once upon a time, besi no Lucy, no James, begui relationship and they got married. They had 2 years ingane, which was Eliza no Mary. You see, Mary at some point washata no Samuel baba nengane bayibiza ngo-Ada. Okay, fine. This side to Eliza washata no Thomas baba na 2 yengane ama twins amawele. It was Henry no John. Understand ukuthi uHenry washada no Sarah and they had ingane, they named ingane uJohn. And then uJohn number 2 lo uyiwelela Henry washada no Ada, cousin wakhe. Baba nengane bayibiza ngoGrace. Yo, lalela. uJohn no Grace cousin ingane zandawonye zashada zaba nomndeni kwabe union and they had kids. Yes, they had 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 kids. Ingane zandawonye zashada and had 15 kids. This is the result of all of that inbreeding. Mangithi inbreeding ngiqonda ukuthi usisi nobhuti bazoba nengane kodwa bandawonye. Umzala nomzala bazohlangana kube nengane. Kuba nje if kwenzeka into enje angazi ukuthi angazi naba hlakanipha ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi i-situation yalo yamndeni ukugula kwalo yamndeni kukhozwa i-inbreeding. Understand ukuthi le inbreeding yakhona ine condition phakathi ebizwa ngeconsanguinity whatever. That means ukuthi close relatives are reproducing. Yes, my siblings or cousin kuyahlanganwa. Yes. Inbreeding increases the chances of recessive genes pairing, yes, leading to birth defects, intellectual disabilities, and physical deformities. Konke lokho akuhlangana emndenini, it's not good for you. Wrong liyanto. In the Whittaker family kunale belief yokuthi i-bloodline yakhona kumele ihlezi ipure. Therefore everything yenziwa kumele yenziwe emndenini. If you would like to see more malana ne-Whittaker family, it's either ubuki documentary or you go with page labo nala just go with page labo ubabuke. Lento yabo ye-inbreeding has been going on for years. And the current bloodline lekhona njengamanje ya 2025 yo hamba uyibonele wena ngiyacela hamba ubuka wena. Understand ke mntu omnyama ukuthi many members cannot function independently due to severe intellectual disabilities. Lento abayenza emndenini yokuhlezi behlangana bodwa kuphela has resulted ekutheni ukuthi kuleya bloodline as long as uzalelwa lapha uzozalwa ukhubazekile. Understand ukuthi they are an extreme case study of what happens in multi-generational inbreeding. Mangase nje decide ukuthi nje nenza nodwa kini, it will result ekutheni ukuthi nani nifane njengama-Whittaker family. So we listen and we don't judge. Once upon a time basithathe isinqumo beumndeni ukuthi bona bafuna ukuthi ibloodline yabo ibe pure, bafuna ukuhlangana bebodwa, and this is the result. Many years later, we listen and we don't judge. It's not for us to judge. Isinqumo sabo. Namanje they are still doing it. What? Namanje we don't judge. The most famous family member kuloya mndeni wama-Whittaker family, it is uRay Whittaker. Yena, he doesn't speak in full sentences. Yena, he just grunts like or he barks like woof. Yes. Understand ukuthi some experts suggest he suffers from a severe genetic disorder and cognitive disability caused by inbreeding. This is uRay. uRay wazukhuluma. uRay mezokhuluma nawe, it's either he's gonna grunt as or he's gonna bark like woof, like a dog, like woof woof. And that's his way of communicating nawe. uRay uyithandela ilwane nje. uRay is very sweet. We also have other family members like uLorraine Whittaker, another family member nakhona naye uyakwazi ukukhuluma but unayo leyo mental impairment kancane. We have uTimmy Whittaker, who's more verbal but still suffers from intellectual disability. Uyakwazi ukukhuluma but ingqondo ibuye yabo. And then we have uBetty, known as matriarch, who tries to take care of umndeni. I really like me uBetty. I'm confessing uBetty right now. So this is uBetty. uBetty is my favorite dog because uBetty, like, uyambona now ukuthi uBetty akanalutho, uyayiphilela nje uBetty. Ambona nje ukuthi uBetty akanalutho uBetty. The Whittaker family. Hamba bheke. Go see for yourself.